right, what's going on? It's Robbie Cornelius. I'm sitting here minding my business, and what do we have here? Okay, I got a nice gift from who I believe, yes, my people, okay, over there at People First Logistics, okay. I'm super excited because I know what this is. It's the merch of the merch. Y'all check out the peoplefirstcommunity.com, owned by my man Sydney Tarver. Dude, I'm telling you, Sydney Tarver is one of the best people that I've met. His energy is just super good. He believes in his team. He's got a strong mind. He's big on leadership, and most importantly, he's not a victim. And you know I don't like victims. So this is exciting because Sydney and I were talking a few days ago, and he's launching his community. Look at that, People First Logistics. Look how good this quality is. Like, this thing is really good quality. We got to put that on. So voila. Woo! Your boy looking really good. Really good with the People First Logistics on. Like, you can't even tell me nothing right now. I got the People First Logistics official logo on the top of the hat. It looks real good, real good. And then also, we got the People First bracelet, okay? People First Logistics. Learn the business of logistics. Go to thepeoplefirstcommunity.com. Check it out. My man Sydney Tarver stays dropping jewels for anyone that wants to learn how to start a logistics company. And we got the People First Logistics Company shirt. Sydney Tarver, thank you, man. I really appreciate it. This means a lot to me. I absolutely love it, all right? Check it out. People First Logistics Company. It's Robbie Cornelius, always encouraging you to master your mind and make money online. It's the only way, all right? Talk to you soon. People First. The People First Logistics Company is the #1 place that's going to teach you the business of